ZANU-PF leader President Emerson Mnangagwa is said to be afraid of the election and does not trust his ZANU-PF lieutenants. And Dead Hope is saying the man is not leaving nothing to chance. The 4ED brigade is a parallel structure that President Idi Mnangagwa has built so that he claims a victory as he is, and he is alone. You have teachers for ED, nurses for ED, vendors for ED, and it goes on. As I have always said, ZANU-PF is only a vehicle that exists for taking and retaining power. For ED is Mnangagwa's personal social base that he has built. That is probably the one he will oil the election funds referred to by Angel in the Al Jazeera films. You can't win elections without structures. He probably doesn't trust the party infrastructure, especially after Seguvia Kasukwere entered the race. So, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There is now Masvikiro for ED. For my South African followers, it is Isangoma for ED or Abahlozi for ED. And this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Spirit mediums for ED were launched, Masvikiro for ED. They were launched and they are here. I don't know what kind of Masvikiro are these, because we knew that Masvikiro asingaite zvese Masvikiro ane mashandiro awo akanga achiita. They had their own way of operation, but izvi zvimanje zvazvinyowani izvi. And the forever dedicated comes to a whole new level. He is clearly giving new meaning to personal branding. Is there an AI for ED yet? Asking for a friend because we might finally get some intelligent politics and economics. Yes, home economics, because etineka patriotism. So okay, and the AI will finish the rigging sports. Okay, and the next is Varoi for ED, Abakati for ED, which is for ED. Okay, you can see this is disrespectful desecration of our culture. This Masvikiro being bought with money should be identified and publicly denounced. Anyone who knows Masvikiro from this area who are part of this desecration should denounce them as fake and stop consulting them. Okay. You are very correct. He is leaving no stone unturned. Without shame, very soon we have Marova for ED. Wait and see. You can be ready for Mwanzora for ED. Okay, so this is it, Team Zimbabwe. This shows what Wakuru, they are scared of the election, because if you're not scared of the election, you don't overlook your own people like that. It shows that they knew very well that they no longer have support within ZANU-PF and elsewhere. So they are trying by all means to create parallel structures. And these parallel structures are being headed by people who had no opportunity to be within the structures of ZANU-PF. These are people who are taking these opportunities, and they are good sloganeers. And they run slogans. That is the reason why we have Varakashi for ED, everything for ED. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. This man is actually preparing himself for defeat, and it is going to be an interesting moment ahead. This is just a confirmation that Sevia Kasukwere within ZANU-PF is more powerful and more popular and more electable than President Emerson Mnangagwa himself. So the results, will see what is going to happen. Are we going to have Mnangagwa beating Kasukwere? It is going to be a very difficult game for him, because a lot of comrades have been paged within ZANU-PF, and a lot of loyalists were defeated during the primary elections. So this gives us the issue of Nelson Chamisa winning the election, while Kasukwere and Mnangagwa share the few votes from ZANU-PF. So a lot of people are asking why the patriotic bill was escalated. It's not because of the opposition per se. Let me be honest. It's not about the opposition per se, but it's about their ZANU-PF comrades who they believe could if they lose this election and Mnangagwa rigs as usual, their ZANU-PF comrades might want to have an armed struggle to actually remove their counterparts. So that is the reason why they are afraid, and that is the reason why they've introduced this law, and they've quickly spearheaded for this law. And the ZANU-PF MPs no longer have any chance because they've been defeated already, and they are working so hard to actually try by all means protect and defend themselves, because they were in the 5 years of looting, and they can't dump the party at this moment in time. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet in another episode and another podcast.